I don't wanna waste time. Well, remember tonight I found something here with you. Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open.
Hey guys, what's up?
If it's only for a
Another
moment,
day,
it's a
another
lifetime
vlog,
of
and today it's gonna be a very exciting vlog because one of my friend and fellow YouTuber has already planned and executed a play, a natak, a drama. So we are just heading there, and from there we might grab something to eat. It's a rainy Sunday afternoon, and it's been raining like from last 2 days continuously. Even the Google Maps shows the same thing, that it's just raining. And so I'll just go move, and along with me is let's go.
when I can't decide and the fear leaves me blind. You always win me. If you need me at the wrong time, throw it all out by the wayside. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control.
100 meters, turn right at Maharishi Anasaheb Patwardhan Chowk onto Bajirao Road, Shriman Thoral Bahirov Peshve Road.
Shaniwar infamous Shaniwar
We are at Bajirao Peshwe Road.
Yeah.
You have to take a right here. Huh?
It's as well known to be haunted.
Take the next right at Maharishi
we don't
Anasaheb
believe that.
Patwardhan Chowk onto Bajirao Road, Shriman Thoral Bahirov Peshve Road, then
We are
turn
not
left
even
onto
going there to
Omkareshwar
test.
Path.
Right.
And we are not even going there to test if it's haunted or not.
Restaurant name is Tummy Full. If my tummy is full, I won't come here. You are deep into the pits.
Now we don't know here. Without GPS, you would
We can't.
I would literally get lost, even though I'm from Mumbai. So guys, we have just parked a vehicle here. This is a pit area, and let's see. Even Rads is like, she helped me and assisted me for parking my vehicle because काफी ज़्यादा cramped up place है. So let's see, like Mumbai types. So guys, that's the place. Yeah.
No trip ends without tea.
Yeah. And she's so much crazy for the tea that we were like we couldn't end it. So we had some food. Now we are gonna check on the drama situation here. We could hear the people already cheering up. So probably they were just pumping themselves up for the drama. So right now we are beneath the hall. So it's on the first floor. So just check out the crowd. So I hope everyone is there for this play. So it's an experimental theater. I won't be able to show you the entire stuff, but whatever it's possible, I would be able to vlog that. So I'll just try to capture it. See you there. Started. We are just awaiting this show to get started. We have to look always here, not here, because we see each other.
stock. So if any of you is interested or anything you know who is interested in doing an acting workshop, please be one of the team members. They'll guide you. And thank you very much.
Hello. Say hi to the vlog.
Okay, you're vlogging.
So that was it, guys. So that was our day, and we just parked in for a coffee. Now I'll have a cup of coffee there, coffee jar, yes. And we saw the play, and the play was awesome. And that was it. That was the end. And so if you like my vlog like this, my vlogging style or something, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I post this. Yep. Bye bye. Take care. Ciao. See you next time.
Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring.